This is the Z1 and Techport brand new marketing studio. Fully kitted out, fully outfitted, our own space. Shout out to Carlisle Tools for providing us these amazing new workbenches, an amazing new suite of tools in this gigantic tool chest here. We're gonna be able to do some amazing install videos, show you guys before and after. And to start us off, on our brand new lift, we have a GR86 Truno edition. That has the OEM Brembos, some awesome decals. This car has already come into us for a tune, and now it is here for some additional upgrades. And let's see what Santa brought us.
Cole,
what?
Nothing.
It's over here, right by the Christmas tree. We have ourselves a new MBRP axle back exhaust. So this comes with the option for the carbon fiber tips on this, which are gorgeous. Look at that. Carbon fiber tips. These are 5 inches outer diameter. So these are gonna look really great on the outside. So the meat and potatoes of this axle back are gonna be obviously your hangers, but right here is the Y pipe. Bolts up to the factory mid pipe connection in the middle of the car. And we're gonna have the 2 90-degree bends that go out to the exhaust tips. So this is super lightweight, super simple. Again, fits in this tiny box. And so you're gonna be able to install this really quickly. And we're gonna be able to make some additional power and sound with this. The AFE super stock induction kit. Same one we ran in our intake shootout. Very simple, comes with the Pro 5R oiled drop-in filter for the stock box and a nice silicone inlet tube. So we're gonna get this on first and then get the car up in the air and put the axle back on and show you guys the results. Look at that inlet tube. That's seen better days. It's all dried out. Let's make that look better. Takeda. And clamps. All right. Before I get my fingers all oily, let's just get the old gloves and screwdriver. Right. These new Carlisle tools. Brother. Into the trash. So to get this out, simply rip it out. All right, so we took this airbox apart real quick just so we can get the carbon diaper out. This is a restriction. We don't need it, so we're just gonna go ahead and take it out. Good and tight. All right, that's part 1 done. We have the AFE super stock induction kit in, the Pro 5R filter is in. You don't need to take your whole airbox out if you don't want to rip out that filter. It's just a little easier to take those 3 bolts off, remove the airbox, and then rip the carbon diaper out. But this is done, and let's get the car up in the air and get that axle back on now. schwabbing.
Exactly, schwabbing.
Get your schwabbins. And now, my favorite tool in the whole wide world, the Schwabben exhaust hanger puller outer. It's the best thing in the world, and it's available at techport.com. Simply lovely.
Simply lovely.
All right, lightweight exhaust put on. Firing ring back on. We need to put that there. Deploy that oil. There we go, Gabe. Cinch them down. Probably put the tips on first before we do that.
No, he just refuses to use power tools.
Doing it the hard way for the people.
The scene from Step Brothers.
No power tools.
Centered, pointed down. All right, just a little tension there. Tip time. That one's damn near perfect.
Ian, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's drop it.